have Ryder here today. He was a almost 3-year-old German Shepherd. He's a sweet boy. He comes to us from the owners for basic obedience, a lot of pulling, that was his commands, but also a lot of reactivity towards dogs and people, especially around the home. So it's hard to take him places, but let's see what he knows now. Ryder, come. Come. Ryder. Ryder, come. Much more interested in the environment. Ryder, come. Can you sit? Lots of pulling. Go down. 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 Or back. Oh no, he's pulling. Ryder, you? You? Lots of pulling. We're going to work on all that obedience, and he's going to do awesome. He's going to have awesome transformation, so stay tuned.
off-leash experience was for the 2-week board and train program.
The experience with off-leash training was amazing. Kelly did a great job of getting Ryder to a position I didn't think I would ever see him in. This is about the best I've ever seen our dog, which you can agree. And off-leash training, Kelly, thank you so much. I appreciate y'all.
Thank you.
Hey guys, Josh Wilson with Off Leash Canine Training. I hope you enjoyed another amazing dog put out by my team. Across the country, we don't care about the breed, the size, the age, or the behavioral issue. We're going to make them awesome for you. If you're interested in seeing more videos like the one you just saw, click the image here on the screen. Also, I'd encourage you to check us out on Instagram and Facebook. And before you leave our channel, make sure you subscribe. So every time a new video comes up of another outstanding dog doing some crazy, amazing things, you're going to get notified in your email address. And for more information on other locations we have around the country, check us out at joshwilson.dog. Appreciate you so much for watching our channel. See you soon.